everyone, how are you? This is Kay, good to see you. Okay, so here's another video about market analysis, and today I wanted to talk about how to draw the lines. I've seen some emails recently regarding how to draw the lines. Sometimes when you join the live stream or when I watch the video or the archive videos on my live streams, sometimes there are so many support resistance levels and the trend lines, and which one do you draw the lines first, or which support resistance levels do you draw the lines, or you don't? And I wanted to answer that question today, and this video is about that. And together with the lines, I also view the market through Ichimoku 5 lines, so that you get the overall analysis, not simply from the lines, but also Ichimoku 5 lines, and also I will today add the candlestick patterns and see how I view the market. Before I start, the GTS class in April 2025 is now available, and there are a few seats available still, so if you're interested, please let me know. The details is on the below description of this video. So let me switch screen to trading view, and today let me introduce this market on pound JPY, and this is a daily time frame, and today is the 5th of February. This is on Wednesday. So first, please take a moment and please think in your head, how would you draw the line in this market? There are multiple support resistances. Okay, let me just try to fit the whole chart in the screen so that you see the whole ups and downs, highs and lows, and so on. So first, take a moment and see how you would draw the line on this one. So the markets has been up and down, and now this is going a bit sideways. Today is a bit bearish, but overall it's a bit ranging on the sideways. So which one, how would you draw the lines? So first, let me explain how to draw the support and the resistance lines. So when I do the analysis, I check the major support resistances. And what I mean by major is the swing lows and swing highs. First, when I look at the market, there are high over here. This is a swing high on the 199.85. So I put horizontal line over here. This is, I think, pretty obvious. And also there is another resistance level below here too. So I draw these lines as well. And third, there is another line over here. This is also a swing high. After this, the market retraced and a bit down now. So I draw the line over here too on 194.73. And now you may wonder, what about this one? There was like a swing high over here too, 198.27. And yes, you can draw the line here too, but this is close to 198.91. So I would say that this is like not like two resistances, but this is more like a resistance zone, so to speak. Hold on, let me just get this pen tool. Let me just enable that. Just hold on, so I can draw the lines, draw the memo on the chart. Okay, so this is the resistance I was talking about, and here as well. So this is like double top, and here is another resistance. But here, since they are close, and this is only one resistance level here, I take this more like as a resistance zone, like this way. So when the market reaches around this area, between here and here, the market most likely will be resisted and retrace a little bit. So this is, with that in mind, I draw only one line, but I draw one line on 198.918, but in my mind I see this as a resistance zone. But if I draw too much lines, then the chart becomes too messy, so I draw only few lines. So those are the lines I see on the resistances. And now let me draw the support lines. So one of the major support level was here, which was clear, 188.055. I think you did the same too over here. And also the previous swing low was here. Let me draw the lines that are more clear swing lows. So this is another one over here, which is 183.779, right? And also if you look a bit lower level, then there's another one here, down here, which is 180.112. So these are the swing lows to me. And now previously there was a swing low over here too, which was down here, 189.281. So these are the levels I would draw the lines for support and the resistances. Okay. So there is another minor support level here too, but since this was only one bar and it opened here and closed over here, and since this is still a bit more like a, in the middle of the reverse N wave, and today's bearish, I take this as a I wave. So I don't draw the support line here. The market may come down either 189.281 or 188.055. So these are the lines I draw, support and the resistances. And now I will draw the trend line. But before I do that, let me take a moment and let you think how you would draw the trend lines. So please think in your head, how would you draw the trend lines? Okay, so when it comes to trend lines, the most important information or the candlestick you better focus is the most recent one, which is this one over here. So based on this, you draw the trend line. So that means you don't draw the trend line based on this one or based on this one or this one. This is too much in the past. So you don't draw the trend lines on these previous candlesticks. So the focus should be on the most recent candlestick, then draw the trend lines. So first one I would draw is the descending trend line, and I see it as like this way over here, like this way. So you see the market has been resisted by the descending trend line 1, 2, 3, and 4 times or so. So that means when the market reaches and comes up above here too, most likely it will be resisted and retraced. If it breaks, then it can go up to 194.731, right? So that's why you draw, this is one of the trend lines you can draw. And also ascending trend line, I draw like this way. So there are 3 touches over here, 1, 2, 3, and if the market comes down this way, maybe support it and goes up this way too, and see which way the market breaks the triangle. This is called triangle. Descending trend line and ascending trend line, this is called a triangle or the P wave in Ichimoku. So now these are the lines I would draw in this market condition, and with this in mind, I monitor chart. If the market breaks the P wave bearish, then it can go down to either 189.28 or 188.05. If it breaks, it can go all the way down to 183.779. So far, this is range, so it's better to wait for the P wave breakout. And with that in mind, I monitor chart continuously. So this is how I would draw the line on Pound JPY Live right now. So sometimes, I've seen people draw the trend line like this way, right? So there are 3 touches, 1, 2, 3 touches, or 4 touches on this one, or 5th touch, maybe we can include this one too. But this is too far from where the price is right now. If it's too far, then you don't want to draw. Or if you look at maybe the swing low all the way, you may be drawing the trend line maybe like this way, or maybe you connect these two supports and ascending trend line like this way, and it stops over here. If you draw the line like this way, it doesn't really mean anything with the market right now. So you better not to draw these lines. It may confuse you, and you may be biased based on these previous lines, and you don't want to get confused. You don't want to get biased based on the lines you draw yourself. So again, the forecast should be always the most recent candlestick, then draw the lines accordingly. So that's how I would draw the line. On the next video, I want to explain how I would draw the line when the market's trending. Today example was when the market was ranging. So hopefully you will enjoy the next video as well, and see you soon there. So thank you very much, everyone. I hope you have a great day, and until I see you next time, please stay healthy, stay safe, stay gold. Bye for now. Mata ne. Thank you very much.